Welcome to Raw Edged and Fused Applique with the Sewing Hub. You need for this applique the free PDF pattern from the Sewing Hub, fabric for Teddy's body, fabric scraps for the details and bonder web. Today I'm making extra large Teddy and I've traced him from the front of my pattern. Trace your pattern pieces and then cut them out in fabric and in bonder web. Bonder web is the iron-on glue that will bond your fabric together and ready to go onto your project. The bonder web has paper on one side and will feel rough. This is the glue side. Place the glue side down on the wrong side of the fabric and then apply this with a warm iron. I tend not to use steam when I'm doing this. Prepare each piece of applique with your bonder web. You can see that I'm ironing on a cloth so that the glue doesn't get onto my ironing board as I prepare each piece. Continue with each piece of applique, applying a bonder web to them, getting them ready to assemble into the teddy. Apply bonder web to all your pattern pieces. Then carefully peel off the paper backing. This can take a few seconds. Your applique, is then ready to apply to your cushion, bunting or project. You will see that the fabric feels a little bit stiffer and it gives some stability to the piece of fabric. I have marked the centre of my cushion for guidance as to where to place the teddy's body. Once the pieces are all prepared, start to place them onto your cushion, bunting or project. Make sure they're in the right position. And then with an iron, go over your fabric, making sure you get no creases. And this then bonds the piece to the project. For applique, you work your design from the back to the front. So the large teddy outline is the first piece to be placed. You can use the picture on the front of your PDF pattern as guidance as to where you're placing your pattern pieces and start to build up your teddy design. So I'm placing on his paws and then again apply them with a warm iron so they're bonded together. Each piece is again applied using a warm iron. Aligning each applique piece into place, pop over it with your iron and soon you can see your design come to fruition. Slowly build up your design, and as you can see in part of this film I amended my cutting out and trimmed his nose to achieve a slightly better look. Once you've completed this process, all your applique pieces are in place, nicely pressed. You can then complete the design by hand or by machine. As we've used no foldings, the edges are raw and the applique has been fused. You can now watch the video on free machine embroidery to show you how I have finished this applique. Hope you've enjoyed looking at fused applique using this Teddy PDF, and you can now watch the other videos.